Hello and welcome back to Stackhouse Knives. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. This is part 4, or my fourth video resource in making a hammer eye punch. So this could be used for axes as well, small hammers, larger hammers. It will depend on the size of this tool. This guy is designed to drive a hole inside the hammerhead, similar to this hammer here. So this is what I used to make this hammerhead, and I was punching this punch all the way through the hammer eye, and then I flipped it around and came back through on the other side. We're going to be making this tool out of train spring. So here's the spring I'm going to be using for my hammer eye punch. I'm only going to take a quarter of the coil. I don't need a lot of steel. So another really late evening doing lots of commission work and video work. Sorry, the lighting's pretty terrible, but if you can see in the right lighting, that is the manual or the hammer eye punch. I made the ends of the handles look a little bit more ornate and a bit more fancy, and then this is the power hammer variant, which has got a nice flat top on it, and again that nice little round handle, so when I'm working I can get the power hammer do the work for me, and it can punch little holes into hammerheads. So that'll be the next video, is trying this guy out and or this guy, seeing how they both work. The tips are a little bit different as well, if you can see. One, I really want to make sure I can get this tool back out, so having it shorter and a bit more snub nose is important, so that I can wedge the tool back out because once this gets stuck, I'm really going to have a hard time getting it back out again. So that summarizes the video. Thank you so much for watching. If this is the first video that you've seen of Stackhouse knives, feel free to subscribe and like the video. And if you have a suggestion, or you've got something to say, put that down in the comment section as well, and I'd love to hear your comments. For now, thank you so much for watching this week's video. You have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.